I want you to know that the Alinker will change your kid's life. Hi, my name is Haven Rayburn Gibson, and I'm here with the Kids Alinker campaign, and I would love to share some information about the Alinker to get you thinking about it for your kids.
My name is B. Alink and I'm the inventor of the Alinker, and we recently developed the prototype of the XS. When we brought the adult Alinker to the market, I got a lot of questions from parents with children, like, is this available for children too? And then I learned that parents who have children with disabilities have a big problem finding appropriate equipment for their children.
When we found the Alinker, it's completely changed my physical and social and emotional life. After a couple days, we saw my physical trainer, and when she saw me use it, she went to my parents after and said, "This is a game changer."
One of the things about Alinker is the feeling of safety that she had with it. She had so many falls that were really the fault of devices that she was using that were supposed to help with mobility, and they failed her. If my daughter had had an Alinker when she was a little wee girl, she would have kept up, she would have led the pack, she would have been happy to take part in activities. And instead, she spent a lot of time standing against the school wall, alone and isolated, because she just couldn't keep up with everybody else.
When I go out with friends or family, it's allowed me to stay caught up with them. It's allowed me to stay at eye level with them, and there's no pain or discomfort when I use it.
Making the smaller Alinker was just a no-brainer, but developing a whole new thing again is its own process, because it comes with the same amount of prototypes and development and money needed to do that. Luca was the first that got the prototype of the XS. Prue is the mother of Luca. They're in Melbourne, Australia, and Prue said, "My son is going to be bedridden within months." He's now going independently to school on the Alinker. It's an ultimately deteriorating illness, but the fact that he is happy, he can move. He does the Alinker Academy on his Alinker in the living room, watching television, doing the dance classes, doing the yoga classes, everything. He is engaged. He's the kid with that cool bike.
The Alinker has made such a difference in our lives, and I just imagine what it could do for so many children around, not just Canada, but the world. It's so freeing. It just provides independence, pain-free mobility, and it's fun.
If we had had this Alinker when I was of that young age, it would have absolutely changed everything. It's made so many things so much better in my life, and I would love to see younger kids be able to use them now. From my own experience, I want you to know that the Alinker will change your kid's life.
From 3 to 18, there's maximum 2 Alinkers that they need. Parents know the impact of that. There's 2 times a little investment that you need to make, and it takes those kids for years. The kid can grow with the Alinker. Investing in this campaign means not only the money that we need to bring this thing to market, but mostly to get the message out there. There's a lot of children out there that do not have access to an Alinker that would actually save their lives.